If you want to make your Tableau dashboards more interactive, using a parameter to swap sheets is a powerful technique. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to switch between different sheets using a parameter step by step, even if you have zero experience. This helps you display multiple views in the same space without cluttering your dashboard. To get started, open Tableau Desktop and load your data. First, create the different sheets you want to switch between, such as a bar chart, line chart, or table. Make sure each sheet is properly designed and ready to be displayed. Next, create a parameter. Go to the Data pane, click on the drop-down menu, and select Create Parameter. Give your parameter a name like Select View. Set the data type to string and add values corresponding to each sheet, such as bar chart, line chart, and table. Click OK to create the parameter. Now, create a calculated field that will control which sheet is shown. Go to Create Calculated Field and write a formula that checks the parameter value. For example, you can create separate calculated fields for each sheet using conditions like checking if the parameter equals a specific value. After that, apply filters to each sheet. Use the calculated field to filter the data so that each sheet only appears when its corresponding parameter value is selected. This step ensures that only one sheet is visible at a time. Next, add all your sheets to a dashboard and place them in the same layout container, one on top of another. Then, use the parameter control and display it on the dashboard so users can select which view they want to see. When the user changes the parameter value, the visible sheet will switch automatically. This creates a smooth and interactive experience without needing multiple dashboards. Make sure to test the functionality by switching between parameter options and confirming that the correct sheet is displayed each time. In short, using a parameter to swap sheets in Tableau involves creating sheets, defining a parameter, using calculated fields for control, and applying filters to switch views dynamically. Now that you understand the process, try implementing it in your own dashboard to enhance interactivity and user experience. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.